Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to resolve the error which we are getting while installing the mingw, that is compiler for C or C++. So as we can see, I have downloaded the mingw exe from the internet itself, as all of you might have done. So here I am clicking on next, and here for architecture, since my machine is 64-bit, so I am selecting x86 underscore 64, and rest version is updated, that is 8.1. Here we are making no changes. So now see, means even after downloading correct file, it is showing me as the file is downloaded incorrectly. So I will tell you how to resolve this error. Like almost everyone is getting this error. So firstly, you have to go to this link. I will attach this link in the description box. So here all the mingw you will get. So in this you have to go for 8.1.0 version, which is the latest version, and click on the last one, like this Win32 dwarf, right? So after clicking on that, uh, one exe will get downloaded shortly, so you have to just wait for it, right? So it is getting downloaded. The file is around 43 MB, and so it depends on your internet that how fast it downloads. You see, so just extract that. I recommend using 7-zip. You can do it. So it just takes a short amount of time. It doesn't take much time. Just wait for it. Right. So the extraction process is complete. Now just open the folder. In this you will get one folder named mingw32. Just copy that folder and paste it in Windows C. Right. New volume C, or it depends on your machine. And I am telling that this is applicable both for Windows 10 and Windows 11 also. And if anyone is still using that Windows 7 or Windows 8, so for that also this video is fully applicable, no issues on that. So just wait for the copying process to get completed. It's around 80% complete now. So that's it. The means we have copied it in Windows C. Now just go to the inside that, go to the bin folder, and we have to add this in the environment variables. And while adding in the environment variables, you get both option for your account or for system variable. I suggest better to go for your account, but it depends, right? So here in the system variables, you can define it in the path. Like click on new and then just paste whatever you have copied, that path of the bin folder. Click on OK. Fine. Now all the process that you need to install the mingw is completed. You can just test, like if mingw is installed correctly or not, so that we can check via the cmd, right? So just open the cmd command prompt, right? Type here gcc underscore hyphen hyphen version. So uh, here you can see that 8.1.0, since we have installed the mingw, it is showing us. You can try this before, like installing the mingw also, it will give you errors. So that's it guys. And if you are having any query, or if you are having some issue, then please let me know in the comment section, And please like, share, subscribe, and I will give the link of this in the description. Thanks.